This is a ZBrush project. It contains the 3D sculpture, materials, and timeline. It is strictly for ZBrush. There are no free viewers for this proprietary format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the file. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering ZPR files with corrupted internal metadata. A ZPR file is a project file created by Maxon ZBrush, a leading digital sculpting application. It saves the entire project state, including 3D models, textures, lighting, material properties, and undo history. Users save in this format to preserve their complete workflow for later editing and refinement. The ZPR format is a proprietary, binary container designed to encapsulate all assets of a ZBrush session. Its structure is optimized for performance, allowing it to save complex, high-polygon models and a deep history stack efficiently, which is critical for the non-destructive workflow ZBrush is known for. The software default for the ZPR file type is the solution provided by Maxon ZBrush. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows lacks advanced 3D interpretation, so proper inspection requires dedicated engineering programs. Initiate the process by right-clicking the ZPR file and choosing Open With. Use ZBrush as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If you are still having trouble opening the ZPR file, do not worry. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening in ZBrush. Launch Pixelogic ZBrush and use File then. Open or the Lightbox project browser to load the ZPR file. The complete project loads with all subtools. Sculpting layers, materials, and document settings restored. Review subtool list and ensure adequate system memory is available for large multi-million polygon projects before extensive editing. Next, managing large projects. For complex ZPR files, use ZBrush's Quick Save and Incremental Save features to maintain backup versions during editing. Optimize performance by hiding inactive subtools and using lower subdivision levels for navigation. Consider exporting individual subtools as ZTL files for modular workflows, allowing focused editing of specific project components. Finally, exporting for other tools. Export ZBrush projects to FBX, OBJ, or USD format using GoZ for direct integration with Maya 3ds Max Cinema 4D or Blender. Decimate high-poly meshes using Decimation Master before export to reduce file sizes. Bake displacement and normal maps via multi-map exporter for use in standard 3D rendering pipelines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.